welcome to my channel. If you're new here, we talk about everything day trading to keep you profitable. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin's final shakeout and how whales are buying up the dip. If you guys want to see a full step-by-step day trade setup, join our community and turn on notifications so you don't miss out when we go live. Bitcoin is currently at a critical point in its short-term trend. We have two very important levels of support that we need to hold. The first one is 38,000. The second one is 33,000. Now we did just print a lower low, but remember that in order to turn bearish, you need to break both of these points of supports. If we do that, then we can potentially see a drop all the way down to 10,000. But if we hold 33,000, it's likely that this is going to be the final shakeout, meaning after this, we should see a relief rally. Now, the reason why I think that this is going to be the final shakeout is because we already have accumulation starting to happen. And where do we see this on chain? Well, we can see it with the whale accumulation chart. Now what this chart does is it shows every single time a Bitcoin whale buys or sells. A Bitcoin whale is anyone who holds over 1,000 Bitcoin. So these are the big money institutions. When they start buying and selling, it starts to show up on this chart right here. So you can see exactly where they're buying the dip. The last couple days, they've been accumulating like crazy. So what does this tell us? This tells us that they know something that we don't. They either know that this is going to be the final shakeout, or they wouldn't be buying this much. This is actually really bullish for Bitcoin. Anytime you see whales start to accumulate like this, it means that they're getting ready for the next leg up. This also tells me that they don't expect Bitcoin to go below 33,000. That would be my guess as to why they're buying so much. Now, if you're a paper hand holding on for dear life, this is great news. Just hold on. If you're a diamond hand, then this is excellent news. You're probably already tendies. So congrats. I want you to take a look at this chart as well. This chart shows the realized volatility of Bitcoin. Basically, it's showing us how much volatility we have left until we get back to normal market conditions. Remember how I told you guys that the holidays are going to be hot and heavy this year? Well, if you look at this chart, you can see that we still have a lot of volatility ahead of us. There's a lot of choppiness ahead of us. We have not reached the level yet where we are at a normal amount of volatility. That usually happens around this line right here. So until we get back to this line, things are going to be pretty choppy. Things are going to continue to be very emotional. The reason why I say that is because this is a lot of open interest on futures. So there's going to be a lot of liquidations happening, and people are going to be jumping in and out of their positions. Adding on shorts, adding on longs, all of that is going to cause a lot of volatility, especially during the holiday season when people are jumping into their Christmas. Whatever they're doing, New Year's Eve, whatever it is. People are going to be jumping into their positions. They're going to be emotional about it. Some of them are going to be blowing out their positions, getting liquidated, and then jumping back in. So just prepare yourself for some choppy, emotional trading over the next month or so until we get back to these levels right here. Like I said, I personally believe that this is going to be the final shakeout. And once this shakeout is complete, we should see a nice little relief rally into the end of the year. If you guys want to see a full step-by-step day trade setup, join our community and turn on notifications so you don't miss out when we go live. Also, make sure you smash that like button because it helps out tremendously.